pork, chicken, and steak. Followed by the chicken, then the steak, and then the pork. Now, if one number comes first and you're not ready, do not continue to let your fish or chicken continue to cook. Okay? If you need to give it another minute or two before you bring it dust, do that. But make sure bring it dust hot. Okay? Please bring it dust hot. Now, we're looking for small portions. Okay? We would prefer to have always 2 plates. And then we went a tiebreaker at the end. We want to come back to your table and look at those plates to get a second look. Okay? So we only ask for 2 portions. One first and one that you keep covered. And even if a tiebreaker.
You need to prepare. Make it easy. Hey.
Cause one big tune can shell the place down. One DJ and one wicked song. Cause when we mad we tear the place down. One Viking can tear the place down. Cause one big tune can shell the place down. One DJ and one wicked song. Cause when we mad we tear the place down. One Viking can tear the place down. Hey.
So much girl in the dance tonight, we in trouble. Any girl where we see, we wind them and bubble them hard. One girl in my eyesight, but me see double. We've got drinks in cans and bottles.
If they whine into a bed, tag a friend who go jumping. They say we can do it. The more the merry. If it's too much, then we go share it. Too much, yeah, then we go share it. Then we go share it.
We're inside the festival at the 9th annual BWF Grill Master Competition, and today we are, well, as you can see, the competition is going on, and we have about 9 different competitors, as well as a few grills, custom-made grills here. So we're going to check out everything that's going on, and we're going to take you inside the festival with Bahamas Welding Fire's 9th annual Grill Master Competition. Welcome so much. Tell us a little bit about your what it is that you do, your name, and how long you've been participating in the Grill Masters.
Well, I've been here from the inception with Chef Mizik. Some years we rotate, but on the 9th year I'm excited to be back. I'm Chef Farrington from University of the Bahamas, Culinary Arts and Tourism Study. I'm the president of the current now, Culinary Bahamas Chef Association.
Oh, okay. So tell us a little bit about that, the Culinary Chef Association, and what competitions like this mean to potential chefs.
Okay, as the president of the Chef Association, Chef Mizik being the former president of the Chef Association, it's an honor to be with him. And it's also a format for the chefs, and majority of them are foodie, as well as some are professional, and it gives them bragging rights to brag that, you know, they're the champion of the festival.
Now, what are you guys looking for per se in a particular food, grilled food?
Well, we look for infused flavors. But by it being an outdoor festival, we particularly look for sanitation. Whether the meat at the inception is at the right temperature, whether it's cross-contaminated, because, you know, if you're doing a variety of meat, some persons tend to have all of it together. And what we look for is to make sure that they have them individually separated. The fish is least to be contaminated as you cook your items. Then it's the steak would be the next item, and then you will have the pork and the chicken. But we want them to always have them separate and always cool at the right temperature. 41 or low, as much ice as possible because it's being outdoors.
Wow, okay. So, you know, that's one of the things that I hate about outdoor festivals. Like, you go to the outdoor festivals and they have like all of these different meats, but I'm a vegetarian and I eat fish. So I can't have a piece of fish that's been on top of pork.
Exactly.
Because it's still going to cause me get sick.
Yes, that's the first thing we do when we walk through on everybody's station. You check the meat, you check the temperature, you check the texture, you check for cross-contamination. And if something is cross-contaminated or have any, because it's outdoors, sometimes bugs tend to hang around the food. We tend to check that as well. And so for a person like yourself, your fish will highly want to be the first item in a secured pan, in a Ziploc bag with ice on top and to the bottom.
So So contamination is not necessarily or just during the cooking process, it's also in the transportation process.
Oh yes, the transportation of the product, because we're in such a hot climate, you want them to travel with as much ice. If you come to a competition and you have least ice, particularly you need to keep your meat a little bit icy, frozen, we don't mind, because it's good to be frozen and then it to be thawed 100%, because the chances are we'll only could look at what you have, but we wouldn't taste it.
So you don't taste the food?
You don't taste it if your food is at the wrong temperature.
Oh, okay. But how important is presentation in this competition?
Presentation is 10%, but it's very important.
Okay. And as a chef, what about the taste?
The taste is unique, because we in our whole makeup, our DNA, Caribbean culture, infused blend of personalities. We look for flavors. Yes. Flavor is very important.
So the taste, as a chef, as a professional, what are some of the things that you look for in taste, like besides tenderness and stuff like that?
Tenderness, flavor, what are you bringing out? If the steak is the highlight, I want to taste the steak. If it's a pork, you want to taste the green, whether it's free range or grain fed, you want to taste the sweetness from the corn. Because if it's free range, it'll taste more earthy, like in grass fed, so it'll be a different, bitter texture taste. In the poultry, if it's free range, again, you will taste a more earth tone. But if it's grain fed, it'll have sweetness. It all depends on the texture of the meat and what have you. And then for the most unique thing is with the fish, they all supposed to have grouper. So we know with the grouper, it being something local. You taste the zestiness, the seasoning. Hopefully you don't want them to have an overpower with pepper, because we tend to pepper. When you put too much pepper on our food, we think that you're hiding something. And so we have to really, really work on tasting what is the highlight, the fish or the pepper.
Wow. So you guys heard it here first. This is the Grill Masters competition, Bahamas Welding Fire, 9th annual Grill Masters competition.
We can everybody stand up in the sun right now. If you get on the road, that's for us players. Bahamas Carnival will take it easy.
For the 9th annual Bahamas Welding and Fire Grill Master competition, and I'm here with Mr. Antoine D. Now he's the designer of this particular grill. Well, first and foremost, congratulations on your 9th annual event.
Thank you.
And you moved it. You moved the date. What was the reason for the moving of the date?
Well, in the past years, we used to get a lot of rain, a lot of water, and so that put a damper, on our last competition. So this year, we decided to pull it up a bit, and as you can see, it's a fabulous day.
It's an awesome day. Now, tell us a little bit about this particular grill.
Well, this grill, the idea came from a gentleman called Javon Clark. He came to me, he said, why don't we design a grill called Justice? And so we came about the scales that is used by blind justice in the court of law. And so that's how this whole idea was developed. And so I went to my welder, a guy called Shortman who works for oil and gases. And we gave him the design and the layout of it. And here we are today. A beautiful grill. I'm working it, I'm using it.
Yeah.
This whole thing belongs to Javon Clark. It's his idea. And he's not here yet, but he'll be here to get his prize later.
So you think you're in for the contenders? You're one of the contenders?
You can Google any grill, Justice, Law and Order, whatever. This is the first grill like this in the world.
Okay.
Now
being a part of the organization, how is it that you guys judge the grill?
Well, judges are selected, from the customers that are here today. And we go through the crowd and we pick out guys we know who have skills in grill making and design. We have architects here that are judging this competition. We have artists that are here judging this competition today. And so it doesn't matter who enters the competition. At the end of the day, it's up to the judges. And they are the professionals.
All right. Well, grill competition. You guys have successfully done this in 9 years.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You've done the pig roasting, the grill competition.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
What's next?
Every year it's getting bigger and bigger and better. As you look around, you know, one of the contestants brought in a whole car. I mean, the boys from Carry Auto, them Tarpon Bay boys, they're really stepping up their game and they're doing it big. Next year you're going to see some mobile stuff, people riding some stuff, you know, real cars that can move, motorbikes that can be driven, and all related to grills. It's coming.
It's an awesome competition. You guys stay tuned. We're inside the festival right here at Bahamas Welding Fire's 9th annual Grill Master Competition.
Justice.
And I'm here with John. What do they call you, John?
The Abaco Grill Master.
The Abaco Grill Master. So you came all the way from Abaco for this?
Yeah.
Really?
I last year, I come second. I lost by 1 point. I come this year to get.
So you come to get that.
Yeah.
You come to get that W.
Yeah. I just waiting for them to call me up right now for the prize. I didn't win, you see. I sure I didn't win.
Man, your presentation has been amazing the entire day. Tell us a little bit about what inspires you. I mean, why would you want to be a part of this particular competition?
First of all, I like the grill. That's all I do.
I wasn't ready. Tent number 8, Destiny's Grill. 2nd place, beef category. Give this guy a neck brace. Congratulations, my brother. I don't know what you put in that food, but you got the judges.
It's carnival time. Pull up. Masqueraders. To start it, misbehaving. Hey, endless try racing. So we tell them, yeah. So we tell them, time to drink up, time to shut up, time to come and join the